Hi friends, now we are preparing a stuffed brinjal gravy recipe. Dry roast peanuts over low to medium flame until they are well roasted. Add coriander, cumin, cinnamon, coconut in. Roast on low flame until spices turns aromatic. Wash brinjals, slit them diagonally and keep them in salted water. Cool them. Now transfer into a blender with salt, chili powder, onion, ginger and garlic, turmeric, coriander. Blend until it forms a fine powder. Stuff the brinjals with the ground powder. Heat a pan with oil, splatter cumin and mustard seeds, add curry leaves and green chilies. Then add the stuffed brinjals and add the remaining stuffed powder. Chew them in 2 to 3 minutes. Now add tamarind pulp and some water to create the gravy consistency. Cover the pot with a lid and simmer on low heat until one whistle is heard. The lid is open after releasing the pressure. And finally we add coriander. Now we enjoy stuffed brinjal curry or with rice or roti.